Hey folks, I just want to show my website. So this is used to track lap times for Assetto Corsa Evo. And this is kind of similar to other ones, but it has some features that other ones do not. So it has a leaderboard that has unique combinations of cars and tracks. If you click on a track or a car, that will enable filtering. What it also has is for every lap time, if you hover over it, it has the sector times. And if you click on it, it will give you other laps from that same session. So you can see your progress throughout the session. It also tracks the version of the game. It tracks which tires were used. And it tracks how much fuel was used during that lap. So that can help you plan future races. Now, one of the features that I want to add was a distribution chart. So once you have a selection, you can click this and it'll give you a graph of the different lap times, standard deviation, things like that. So you can see kind of where you fall on the graph. It also has the ability to log in with Steam. And once you log in, it will match up your Steam username with all of your laps. And it will give you the ability to add notes to a lap. And these are saved to the database, so they're persistent. And another thing you can do is you can add links to your YouTube videos for a specific lap, so other people can look at it, so they can see the time and the video that goes with it. Now, one other thing it does is it has this My Times. So this records, it's a record of all of your laps specifically. And it records both invalid and valid laps. So if you went off track, this will still record it. And this is kind of your history as a driver. So I thought that was pretty nice. Now, the way this works is you go here, you download the client. The client runs on your computer. It gets the information from Assetto Corsa Evo, sends it to the server, and then it shows up on the website. And this is what the client looks like. You start up, the first time you run it, it'll get scanned by your antivirus software. There is no setup on the client side. It just starts and it runs. Your Steam username and ID is automatically picked up, so you don't have to do anything. And that's basically it. And I'm hoping people will use this, and this way we can have a nice registry of lap times. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can reach out to me either through Reddit or through Discord. All right, thank you.